The mirrorless world is on fire once again. And no, it's not just hype. Sony has done it again. The long-awaited Sony A7V is finally starting to surface in leaks, rumors, and credible insider sources. As a successor to the wildly popular Sony A7 IV, the A7V is shaping up to be the ultimate full-frame hybrid camera, a powerhouse that could redefine professional photography and filmmaking in 2025. From groundbreaking image quality to AI-powered autofocus and improved thermal performance, the A7V might just become the new king of the mirrorless world. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But what exactly makes the Sony A7V such a big deal? Let's dive deep into all the leaks, rumored specs, possible pricing, and what you can really expect from this monster of a camera. Before we get into the juicy A7V leaks, let's quickly rewind. The Sony A7 series has been a staple for photographers and videographers ever since its debut. It combined pro-level features in a portable body, blurring the line between compact convenience and DSLR-level performance. The A7 III was a huge leap forward, and then came the A7 IV, which added real-time IAF, improved ergonomics, 10-bit 4:2:2 video, and serious hybrid functionality. The A7V, however, isn't just another incremental upgrade. According to multiple sources, this is the biggest generational leap in the series since its inception. Sony isn't just trying to stay ahead, it's trying to redefine what a mirrorless camera can be. Let's get into the exciting part, the leaked specifications. While Sony hasn't officially announced the camera yet, insiders have dropped enough information to paint a pretty clear picture of what's coming. White heavy check mark sensor. The A7V is rumored to feature a newly developed 36MP BSI CMOS full-frame sensor. While the resolution is only a modest bump from the A7 IV, the key improvement lies in dynamic range, low light performance, and readout speed. White heavy check mark processor. A next-generation Bion's XR2 image processor is expected. This will boost overall performance, help with faster autofocus, improved thermal management, and allow AI-based subject tracking across multiple subjects, not just faces and eyes, but animals, vehicles, and even birds in flight. White heavy check mark autofocus. The A7V is said to include the same autofocus algorithms as the flagship Sony A1. That means real-time IAF for humans and animals, object recognition, and even AI-trained deep learning that anticipates subject movement. White heavy check mark video capabilities. Here's where things get truly cinematic. Leaks suggest the A7V can shoot 6.2K oversampled 4K at up to 60 frames per second. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording. Acinetone and S-Log3. No recording limit. Active cooling to prevent overheating. If this holds true, the A7V may outclass many cinema cameras in this price range. White heavy check mark stabilization. A redesigned 5-axis in-body image stabilization IBIS system is expected with up to 8 stops of compensation. Sony seems to be focusing more on handheld video shooters and hybrid creators. White heavy check mark viewfinder and display. The A7V may get an updated 9.44 m.0